Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade chicken noodle soup in a crockpot. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. Dice your vegetables into small, manageable pieces. Also, have 8 cups of chicken broth ready, along with your preferred seasonings like salt, pepper, and a bay leaf. This simple preparation sets you up for a delicious, comforting meal. Now let's assemble your soup. Place the chicken pieces at the bottom of your slow cooker. Then, add all your chopped carrots, celery, and onion over the chicken. Pour in the 8 cups of chicken broth. Season with about 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and dried thyme, plus a bay leaf if you like. Cover and cook on low for 6 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours until the chicken is tender. Once the cooking time is almost up, carefully remove the cooked chicken from the crockpot. Shred it using 2 forks, then return the shredded chicken to the soup. Now, it's time for the noodles. Add about 4 ounces of your favorite egg noodles directly into the hot broth. Stir everything gently, then continue to cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender. Your delicious homemade chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle generous portions into bowls, and if you like, garnish with some fresh parsley or a dash of black pepper for extra flavor. This hearty, comforting meal is perfect for any day. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.